Hello everyone, I wanted to make this video showing you how to use the Gizmo melting point simulator. So if you look at what's on the screen here, this is what the Gizmo is going to look like. Now, I always tell people to make it full screen. Okay, so what you can see right here, this apparatus down here at the bottom, it's going to give you the temperature, so 20 degrees Celsius, that's like room temperature. And up here, you want to click this where it says show the molecular view. So this is going to show you the molecular view of the solid. Now this solid that's in here is sodium chloride, so table salt. And like we talked about in class, it's in crystals, and the solid, the particles are fixed in position. However, you can see that they're moving a little bit, they're vibrating. But a solid, the particles are fixed in position. They're not moving past their neighbors, but they are vibrating back and forth. So with this activity, with this simulator, you are finding the melting point. So the point at which this solid will melt and go to a liquid. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to turn the heat up. Okay, turn the heat up. Now you can see down here the temperature is going up. Now, I'll stop it here for just a second so I can explain something. Some of these have very high melting points. So if you just have it at a low setting, it's going to take you a while to get there. So what I would do is go pretty high, make it pretty hot at the beginning. You're going to get an estimate as to where the melting point is. Then you can go back and do it again and get a more precise reading. So with this one here, I'm going to turn it up maybe to 5. So you can see down here our temperature now is going up pretty quickly. I'm also looking here at our solid. Nothing's changed. Okay. Now, let me pause it there. We can see that it's gotten very hot, but still down here, it's still a solid. So yeah, I mean, it's red hot, but it's still a solid. So let's keep going. All right. Oh, let's see. I know that it's a little bit easier to do this on your iPad than me trying to use my laptop here. And I mean, it's still going up. I can't really seem to change it. But anyway, you can see now down here in this little view, you can see that that is a liquid because the particles are not fixed in position. They are sliding past each other. Okay, so now the question and the purpose of the simulator is to find out what temperature did that change from the solid to the liquid, because that is the melting point. Now, I know we shot past it, and I was actually trying to pause it when we started getting close. So what you need to do in order to find these melting points is to go hot at the beginning so that you can generally find out, all right, look at that, it's getting red hot again. All right. Then, okay, I know it's going to come up here pretty soon. See, I don't know why I can't get that back to 0. But anyway, then take it down and go to a lighter setting so it's not increasing as quickly so that you can really look and see when is it going to get to that melting point. Okay, whoop, look at this. Oh, 800, 801, we can see we're right in the low 800s. Okay, so that's how you'd figure out. And with this, we're not all going to have the same number. We're going to probably have like a range, and it's around this number. Now, I know on the iPad, okay, now I can take it back down to 0. I know on the iPad, it's kind of easier with your finger to go back and forth with that setting than me trying to use my mouse here. Okay, so that is sodium chloride, and you can do, and we're going to do all of these, different substances. So sodium chloride, copper 2 chloride, lead, tungsten, all of those. Okay, so what I want you to do is to just play around with this on your own, and then on Tuesday when we come in, we'll start talking about the Gizmo and what it is that you have to do and what the assignment is. Okay, let me know if you have any issues or any problems. I will talk about this more in class. All right, have a nice day, everyone.